This is how you change the default search engine on Safari on your iPhone to something other than Google. In this video, we're going to change it to Bing. If you open Safari and you search for anything using the search bar up at the very top, it's going to go to Google and it's going to search whatever you search for, in this case, soccer. So to change that, let's go into the settings. Make sure you're on the main settings page. Scroll all the way to the bottom till you see apps and tap on that. Then tap on the S on the right-hand side. This takes you down to the S section. You can scroll down to here as well if you want. Tap on Safari. Here we have search engine, and it says Google right there. Tap on that, and then change it to Bing. Now go back to Safari, and tap in the search bar at the very top where it shows the address. This might be at the bottom of your screen as well, depending how you have your Safari set up. Don't use the search bar in Google, because I'll have to search Google again. So you got to find the address bar or the search bar that's built into Safari. And now we search for something else. Let's search for hockey. Bing usually isn't people's favorite. You can't even pull in pictures properly. It's got pictures here. Anyway, now we have Bing as the search engine. And if you find that your iPhone's battery has been draining faster than it should or faster than it used to, there could be a bunch of settings you need to tweak. This video shows them to you and how to set them properly to maintain your phone's battery life. So check out that video. And if you like the video you just watched, like and subscribe to let me know, and I'll see you on this one.